This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to get a free trial of Adobe Photoshop. So as you can see, I am on a free trial page for Adobe Photoshop. First things first, if you click the link in the video description just below this video, you click my link, you can get that free trial. You will find yourself on a page like this or very similar depending on how Adobe changed the page over time. You can see their full layout here. You do get the free 7-day trial, as you can see here, and then they also have a free 14-day money-back guarantee. So essentially you get 21 days to actually decide if this is the right platform for you, if this is the right tool for you. So you get to check out Photoshop limitation free for that period. So all you need to do once you've clicked my link is you click this button at the very top that says start free trial. We'll just wait for Adobe servers to load here, and just like that, we have Photoshop selected here. You could select Creative Cloud Pro. Obviously it's more expensive, but you do get 20 plus apps, including Photoshop, Illustrator, Acrobat Pro, I think InDesign's in there as well. Premiere Pro, the video editing tool, is in there as well. So that's a really good deal as well. We're just going to select Photoshop here. This is for individuals, by the way. If you are, in fact, a student or a teacher, there's a really good deal right now on Creative Cloud Pro. In fact, it's a 75% off deal as it currently stands as of the recording of this video. There is also a business plan option as well. If you're a business, if you're a company, if that is you, they have an option there, but most people will be an individual watching this video. Currently, you are saving 54%. And that is how you will get the free trial of Photoshop. You click continue, enter your details, download the app, you can start using it. Like I say, check out my link. It's a free trial. There's no risk. You can cancel at any time. You can see if this is the right tool for you. If it's not, you can cancel. There's no loss there, no risk for you. If it is, you can stick around with a paid plan. Hopefully you found this video useful and informative. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.